Hi, I am Amit Lunkad. In this video, we discuss about the aminoalkyl ethers. These aminoalkyl ethers, which are a first generation antihistaminic agent. These antihistaminic agents, which have a sedative and anticholinergic effect and used to treat symptoms of allergic rhinitis. After completion of this video, students will able to know about the structural activity relationship of aminoalkyl ethers, that is ethanolamines, and drugs with its structure and adverse effect. So let's begin with introduction of aminoalkyl ethers. The aminoalkyl ether antihistamines are characterized by the presence of CHO connecting moiety and a 2 or 3 carbon atom chain as the linking moiety between the diaryl and tertiary amino group. Here is the in general structure of aminoalkyl ethers. The diaryl tertiary aminoalkyl ether structure that characterizes this compound to serve as pharmacophore for muscarinic receptor, and as a result of this it possesses significant anticholinergic activity, which also enhance the H1 blocking action on exocrine secretions. Now here we discuss structural activity relationship important points. The simple diphenyl derivatives, which, which is a diphenhydramine, was the first clinically useful member of this series and which serves as the prototype. Here is the structure of diphenhydramine. Other useful derivatives of diphenhydramine have been obtained by para-substitution on one of the phenyl ring. Para-substitution of groups like methyl, methoxy, chloro or bromo. If it have a methyl substitution, the name of compound is methyl diphenhydramine. Methoxy substitution, if it have to para position, form compound is medrilamine. If having chloro substitution, then chlorodiphenhydramine. If having bromo substitution, then form compound bromodiphenhydramine. And these derivatives have better therapeutic profile than diphenhydramine because of reduced adverse effect. So all these substitution to para position is important one, or rather which is useful one. Replacement of one of the phenyl ring of diphenhydramine with a 2-pyridyl group, example in doxylamine and carbinoxamine, which enhance the activity. And here is the one representative example of doxylamine. Here instead of one phenyl ring, it having a 2-pyridyl heterocyclic ring, and which is a beneficial one, which enhance the activity. These aminoalkyl ethers having a side effect of drowsiness because it penetrates the blood-brain barrier and occupy the central H1 receptor. And these drugs metabolize by N-oxidation and successive oxidative N-dealkylation followed by amino acid conjugation of the resultant acid metabolite. So these are about the introductory part and structural activity relationship of aminoalkyl ethers. Now here we discuss the compound under these derivatives in detail. First compound diphenhydramine structure with IUPAC nomenclature. These diphenhydramine having an antihistaminic action, and in addition to this it also exhibit anti-dyskinetic, anti-emetic, antitussive and sedative action. It also having a anticholinergic property. Now next compound is bromodiphenhydramine. So here there are the simply substitution of bromide group to the para position of one of the phenyl ring, and because of this it having a enhanced activity. So this form compound bromodiphenhydramine having a more lipid solubility. Next is the dibenhydrinate. It is a simply 8-chloro-thiophylinate salt of diphenhydramine. It is used to treat motion sickness, nausea, and vertigo. Next is about the doxylamine. Just we have seen the structure. Here, instead of one phenyl ring, it having a two pyridyl ring substitution. And one hydrogen get replaced by the methyl group. It is a more potent than diphenhydramine and it having a very good nighttime hypnotic drug. The concurrent use of alcohol and other CNA depressant should be avoided with doxylamine. Next one is the carbinoxamine. Here is the structure of carbinoxamine. In this also one phenyl ring gets substituted by the two pyridyl ring and here there are the one of the phenyl ring having substitution of chloride group to the para position. So it is also a potent antihistaminic and it is available as the racemic mixture. The more active levoisomer of carbinoxamine has the S and which have an absolute configuration and can be superimposed on more active dextroisomer of chlorpheniramine. The dose is administered by oral route 4 to 8 milligram TID or QID available in elixir and tablet form. Next is the clemastine, structure of clemastine with IUPAC nomenclature. It having a long duration of action with an activity that reaches a maximum in 5 to 7 hours and persists for 10 to 12 hours. It is well absorbed when administered orally and excreted in urine. These clemastine having antimuscarinic activity and it is due to closely related to chlorphenoxamine. Usual dose is administered by orally 1.34 milligram BID and it is dosage form available as syrup and tablet. Next one is the diphenyl pyraline structure with IUPAC. It is a potent antihistaminic and the usual dose is 2 milligram 3 to 4 times daily and it is available in an extended release capsules. Here we discuss in detail about the aminoalkyl ethers. Hope all of you getting this. Thank you. Happy learning.